In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fake a big messy bun if you really struggle with them. So what you're going to need for this style is you're going to need a claw clip and you're going to need a hair tie. For your claw clip, if you don't have super long or super thick hair, you're probably going to want one that's a little smaller. This is more of a standard length and this is more of like almost a half size claw clip. So I prefer a smaller one with this, but if you have a lot of hair or you just like the claw clip to be a little bit more front and center, you can definitely use a bigger one. You'll be able to do the same thing with a longer one if that's all you have, but a smaller one will be a little easier to work with and will help you achieve the style, I feel like, a little bit better. So we're going to start with a ponytail, and for added volume and style, I'm going to leave out the front part of my hair. If you have any curtain bangs, or you can just leave out the front bit if it's not too long like mine. I did have curtain bangs, but you can see it's growing super well. And then I'm going to just get all of my hair up. Now I'm going to brush it gently, but the idea here is not to get a smooth, sleek look. So I'm actually going to shake it a bit before I tie it. And I'm just going to tie it a little bit farther back so you can see there's quite a bit of space. And I'm going to do that so that once it's tied, I can actually pop it down, and that's just going to give my base a little bit more texture. And then I'm actually going to pull out the base, and I do that by grabbing near the hair tie and just pulling the hairs forward. You're going to feel it getting looser, and I'm just going to tighten it again as I go until I am happy with the way it looks. All right, so then what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to twist your ends, and you're essentially just going to stick them here right at the hair tie. And you're going to clip, oh, you don't want to lose any ends. You're going to clip your claw clip right over top of those ends. So you can imagine if you don't have a ton of hair like me and you use a really big claw clip, it could get a little tricky, and the claw clip will essentially be like half empty. So I'm just going to twist my ends a little, and I'll show you from the back. And as you can see, I'm not just placing it, I'm taking the ends and I'm bringing the ends up to the hair tie. If your hair is even thinner, you might need an even smaller clip. And then we are just going to pull that apart. Now, if your hair is really clean, soft, and floppy like mine is today, then you can also add a couple bobby pins just to secure it and stop it from flopping all over the place. Now, you could have pulled it all back. You did not have to leave out the front like me, but if you did, how I style it is I take my thermal brush. This is my Wavy Talk thermal styling brush. So this is just a round brush that gets hot. You plug it in, it gets hot, doesn't blow air or anything. I'm gonna go up a few times to try and give me a little bit of root lift here. Just like that. And then making sure I've got as much of the hair, those baby hairs on the sides are fine. I'm gonna take from the ends, I'm gonna scoop everything back, roll it around, let that hold for 10-15 seconds. And then we'll drop that out. And then I'm going to go back in on each side. Now, if your hair is shorter around your face, this will work even better. The longer your hair gets, the trickier styling the face framing area is going to be. So the last step is I'm just going to take the ends on each side, just like I did forward, but I'm going to flip them to each side. There we go. And if you want added volume in the bangs, then you can lift everything up. The more volume you do, I find it makes it look more messy. It kind of reinforces that messy look. I'm just adding a tiniest bit of volume there. And there we go. Now you've got a really cute messy bun look, but it's actually just a ponytail and a claw clip. Thank you so much for watching today. Let me know in the comments if you tried this tip out and how it works out for you, or just say hey, because I'd love to hear from you guys. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my other videos. I will see you in the next one. Bye.